CEO in Efficode. I warmly welcome you to the first Unity user group meeting here in Finland. And first I will spend a few minutes of your time to tell about Efficode and what we do with the gaming industry. So Efficode itself, we are not exactly a gaming company, but we do a lot with gaming industry. And Efficode's main business areas are customized software development, DevOps, and then big data. And of those, the ones that we do most with gaming industry are the big data and DevOps. In DevOps we basically continue where kind of, as we think it, agile ends. So we see that agile methods, they talk a lot about what to do in your development, what to do while you develop, and we see that that's the dev part. But agile methodologies say less about what to do after you have to build, and that we see is the upside. And we help companies with our DevOps business to streamline their build processes, also after they have the build ready, to continue with automated acceptance testing, release automation, and continuous deployment. And that way customers can achieve huge savings in round trip times. And for example, we do a lot in this area with Rovio. Then in big data, we help gaming companies to process huge amounts of data. To, for example, in real time, adapt the game to react to situations where the person might be most interested to do in-app purchases. For example, it's important to know regarding in-app purchases that whether the person, the player, is having a winning streak or losing streak. If the player has won the last battles, probably he or she is not interested to buy anything to get he or her further in the game. However, if he has just recently lost 3 previous battles, he might be very interested to spend some little amount to get further. So in this way, the analytics in gaming needs to be almost real time, because there is not much to help to say that okay, this guy 6 hours ago he lost that many times in a row, let's offer he something, probably he's already sleeping. So those are the main services, the DevOps and big data, where we are helping gaming industry to succeed. Then the other thing, which is something that we see that also you guys might be very helpful with, is that you probably are familiar with the startup scheme, know many startups in Finland, and lately Efficode has started a program to emphasize more on startups. Basically, we both do just normal business with startups, help them grow, help them to develop the technology solutions. But recently we have also started to do investments in startups. We have a very strong experience in starting up new businesses. Efficode has started, for example, ePassi, which is a mobile payment solution for employee benefits. We started it in 2008, and now last autumn we received a nomination from Deloitte that it was the Finland's fastest growing tech company. So in 5 years we were able to grow it from basically 0 to 9 million euros of revenue. And then another company which we have started up is Devio. Devio is a software development product. It's a license-based tool for software development companies. So we have a really much experience in starting up new businesses, and that has led to us starting a service and a program where we want to help also other startups to grow, to get bigger, and to get international. And for that we are interested in finding startups which are in a phase that they would be interested in either working with us through small investments or partnering with us for doing business. Okay, so basically that was my short presentation. If you have anything to ask, please ask. Unfortunately, I can't stay longer today, but if you have anything to ask, you can contact us. Our details are in the web pages. Whoops.
You don't have the internet.
Yeah.
I can show them.
Yes. Or you can just ask anyone from EFICode, and we will contact you later. Okay, thanks guys.
And thanks for EFICode for sponsoring this event.